Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this, and welcome back to another video. This time around I actually managed to do 2 missions in the allotted time slot, because I don't die as many times. Anyway, I'm hoping to complete this campaign. It's gonna be a lot of videos, but also Warface keeps blowing up for some reason, so I'm gonna do a lot more of those videos as well. I think that's all that I have to say. Anyway, enjoy the video. Welcome back. Hop in. Well, I'm already in this menu here because I forgot to press record earlier. I didn't actually do anything, so I'm gonna look through here.
Hey, closer. What you need?
Nothing, just browsing right now. What is this? I thought that said Susan for a second. That would have been a great name for a shotgun. Oh. The massive shells can only be loaded 1 at a time. In exchange, it has shattering firepower. I would love to have that, but what do I have as my second? Alright, I have my assault gun and that thing. I gotta see what is happening in this mission before. It's the hive craft again. Yeah, I have to stick with the assault rifle, because that thing loves to drop little flying bug things, robots. I can't get with any other weapon. What's this? Less damage, more ammo, more reload time, or less reload time rather, and more shots per second. More of everything except damage. Or the same amount of firing range. Hold on. How does that have 300 ammo? Hexagonal shape will be loaded in a honeycomb structure to maximize magazine space. Yeah. I might get this one. So it goes from 35 to 24 damage, but 300 ammunition. Yeah, I'm gonna get this thing. And then, yeah, keep the laser rifle, because that thing's good. Oh, also, I haven't changed this anytime soon, so, oh, yeah, Deathstalker. Wow. Can destroy buildings, venom spray, pincer attack. Seems good. I'm not gonna practice at all because why? What? Why would I? Anyway, let's hop into it.
hive craft has appeared in Area A02.
Oh.
Just had to
There it
appear
is.
in a defense priority level AA area.
Oh no, it wasn't the ice craft I was thinking of earlier. It was the,
hive craft.
whatever it was.
Last
It produced.
Everyone, get moving! Let's wait till you!
I might wanna switch to the heavy armor that has double the amount of weapons. But I do like the little kind of Spider-Man hook that this guy has.
This area is defense priority level AA. Many of the EDF monsters live here. We must keep damage to a minimum. Last team will take those meteors, destroy them before they hit.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
We will destroy the meteor in the air to prevent damage on the ground.
Come on. Yeah. So we just gotta destroy the meteors? Is that our... Oh.
Good work, closer. Squad
Yeah, I
leader
see
May,
where-
Citizen evacuation rate is 57%. Meteor damage has blocked the evacuation
I see
route.
where a lot of
Inside
damage in
alternate
one shot would be
Roger that,
helpful.
squad leader. Commander,
I'm putting you in charge of guiding the evacuation.
routes. Nice.
I might want to get a sniper rifle for this.
Commander-in-Chief, this is Mangle. EDSF has approved use of the satellite laser.
Oh no.
Coordinates are already set. Energy charge at 20%. How
He
much
just
longer?
started.
4 minutes, 12 seconds. We're counting on you. Last
What?
thing, as you've heard, we will attack the hive craft with a satellite laser.
Yeah,
Buy us
I have
time.
heard that. I'll just buy them time. I can do that. Oh. Hey. Where'd you come from?
Shoot down the meteors.
What? Where? Where are the meteors?
that was amazing. Like a superhero in a movie.
Yes, that would be me, the superhero. Who has no idea what he's doing. Hello? Oh.
Meteor
Oh.
tower's about to fall.
Come on. Am I hitting it? Can't tell. I'm definitely hitting that bug. I don't have very much to talk about.
Ravager signal on the radar.
That protected target's gonna be destroyed. Somebody do something.
Come on. Go.
Good work.
See. Oh, this doesn't even take that long to reload.
Just getting
It is an American flag. So we are in America. Well then. Oh, that's...
Destroy the meteors.
Oh, meteors. Oh.
No way! We're being pushed back! All units, charge!
Any more meteors? Nope. Ah, I ran out of...
There's more coming.
Where?
No! We've gotta do something! Who came up with this strategy? We're losing here!
There we go, that guy's down. There we go.
Closer! What the hell are we up against here?
I just blew myself up and my teammate. 2 for 1.
Enemies approaching. Look out.
Defend that protected target.
Only half the city's been damaged. Come on.
I'm out of bullets.
Same
How are
here.
you out of
Captain,
bullets?
we can't hold off any longer.
Not yet. Just a little more.
Come on. Die. I shot that thing so many times. Can't tell if I'm hitting it, oh my god.
So this is what Closer is capable of.
This is Mayor.
Dying?
All the citizens have been evacuated.
Alright.
Satellite laser energy charge is at 90%. Connecting trigger to HQ.
Alright. There goes the building. And me.
Last team retreat.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get a sniper rifle. It's gonna be easier to take them out.
Hivecraft has appeared in Area A02.
It just had to appear in a defense priority level AA area.
Alright. Alright, I'm back. And I bought this
area
thing,
is defense priority level AA.
which does 988 damage. I don't know what my other gun does, so I can't tell you if that's good or not. But it's better than the other sniper rifles, so I assume it is.
Yes, sir. We will destroy the meteor in the air to prevent damage on the ground. Good work, Closer. Squad leader to
Takes a long time to reload, but if I hit square at the right time, then I can reload it faster.
Provide alternate route.
Roger that, squad leader. Commander?
Maeve, I'm putting you in charge of guiding the evacuation.
Hey.
Nice.
I like the sniper rifle.
Commander-in-Chief, this is Mangle. EDSF has approved use of the satellite laser. Coordinates are already
What does
set.
EDSF
Energy
stand
charge
for?
At 20%. How much longer? 4 minutes, 12 seconds. We're counting on you. Last thing, as you've heard, we will attack the hive craft with a satellite laser. Buy us time.
I'm very good at wasting time. That's the point of my job. I call this a job, and yet I still not actually getting paid for it. Hello? Oh. I need to look around more.
There's more coming.
Anyway. Oh, hey.
So this is what Closer is capable of.
If I sing more than 5 seconds of any song, I get copyright striked. I gotta actively stop myself from
Meteor
humming.
tower's about to fall.
Good work.
Wasted my last shot of that. No, I just got that.
Ravager signal on the radar.
There we go.
Target's gonna be destroyed.
Nice
I
work.
swear she says I'm toast, but she says, you're toast, but you're slow. I don't know if that's what she actually says, but it's definitely what it sounds like. And it doesn't make the slightest bit of sense. You're bad at this, but you're also slow. Hey. Woo. just chucked a grenade off it, who knows where, but let's ignore that for now.
No good. This is no good.
What? I mean, sure, the media is fine, it's all these bugs that are also destroying the city.
Meteor shower's about to fall.
Right into a palm tree. Oh. I need to look around more.
Against here.
I already said that.
Is this for real? How can anyone be that good?
I'm shooting very slow moving objects. It's pretty easy.
Destroy the meteors!
Damn it! I'm out of bullets.
Same here. We can't hold off any longer.
Sleeping for 7 years? Just
Oh,
lower.
I missed the thing for the reload. Now I gotta wait even longer. Oh, hey.
This is made. All the citizens have been evacuated.
Satellite laser energy charge is at 90%. Connecting trigger to HQ.
I keep blowing myself up because they keep getting in front of me. What? Ow. Alright, 5, 4, 3,
There's more coming.
1.
Energy charge at 100%. We're ready.
Oh wow. Let's see what happens here.
Fire satellite laser.
Yes, sir. Firing satellite laser. Huh?
Oh,
Target has disappeared. The hive
so we
craft
just
has
destroyed our own city,
disappeared.
pretty much.
What? It got away?
Collect some more health and some gems. Oh, that was the entire mission. Huh.
The meteor attack and now teleportation. This is nothing like what we saw 7 years ago. So the hive craft has evolved.
It's been 7 years. You think they haven't changed their strategy a little bit?
We need to discuss our next course of action.
Yes, we do.
And kick my feet up back home.
6, 5. Alright. Unlike the last mission where I managed to get myself killed 5 times. Actually, I think we have time for another one. Oh, I just got a trophy, gonna check that out. Was to defeat 100 enemies using a laser weapon, which is my primary weapon, actually.
Hey, I saw some rebellion members at the last ant race.
Messing around in neutral territory.
I'd say they won huge.
And how'd you do?
Don't ask.
Alright, so one of our guys has a gambling problem. Oh, that's good to know. And that was me cracking my back. What you heard just there.
Welcome to the EDF online weapon
Oh wait,
shop.
what is this mission? Oh, those things. Yeah. Those are the guys that spawn the mean robots. Unequipped. Where is it? There it is. Oh, what is this? New one. Ammo sent from an unknown scientist. Oh no. It's yeah, it's a Christmas gift apparently. 10% probability of dealing 200 damage during the shot, and normally does 8. That's 60 ammo though, so 6 of the bullets are... Anyway. Quickly load. Oh. Doing work out there in my backyard. Probably gonna hear that a lot. Continuous fire increases bullet trajectory. What's the one I have? It's like the... yeah, this guy. Yeah. Hits down in damage, ammo, and firing range, but increases the longer I actually fire. I was gonna look... yeah. Rapid fire sniper rifle. I'm gonna use this guy. It's because I want to.
Thanks, bud.
And flame. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll just go with the equipment I have. Parakeets.
This mission is to eliminate the aggressors. Message from Recon
Oh.
Satellite. This area is already surrounded by enemies.
Yep. Let's see how this guy does.
Not again. Let's get started.
Yep, one-shot those guys. And it's semi-automatic.
Don't get shown up by Team Blast. Charge!
Yep, I am. That's certainly what I'm doing. Hey, hey, find this a latch on. Difficult. Ran out of time. Where? Come on, stop moving. I can just keep launching grenades. Come on, explode. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Come on. So close. Anyway. Just missed it. Get out of my way. Trying to kill your parents.
Enemy transport showing. It's too high to engage.
Team Blast, you really know your stuff.
Oh,
Shoot down every last one of them.
yeah, let's go. Anyway. Hey, how's it going? Come on, open up, I want to kill you. There we go. To be completely honest, I have no idea if you can actually damage them while they're up or not. But I've gone this far, so might as well just shoot them while they're down. Come on. I think killing these guys is what makes it open up and start making more.
Aim at where the enemies are coming from.
Yeah. There we go. Now just to clean up the rest of these guys, which have disappeared. A lot of explosions. Hello? This is an enemy like right here. Come on. Where are all the enemies?
How is it possible to move like that?
More enemy backup.
Where?
Rain or shine or bug. I'm all about getting this over quickly and getting my hands on a gold one.
Oh. Oh, what? What? I've never seen that happen.
It has transformed into a more mobile form. But why didn't it come out like that from the start?
building's gonna come down soon. Oh wait, I have overdrive still. And I've learned not to do that while I'm on the building. Oh, there goes that.
More backup.
Enemy sighted. We're really between a rock and a hard place.
Get closer. Hey. Haha, moving makes it very difficult to kill you. Here we go. Oh, there it is. Haha. And I've just realized it is not semi-automatic, it is fully automatic. It just has a lot of time in between shots. And we reloaded the wrong one. See if we can hit that guy. There we go. Hey. There we go. See a mark over here. Oh, it's above me, isn't it? Yep. Is that all of them? Yep. Exterminate all aggressors.
No signs of the enemy.
Looks like it's all clear. Last team.
I will go up here. Oh, there's red lines over there. So. Is that a truck I can drive? Yes, it is. Haha.
Come on! Is anyone at HQ actually doing their job?
Let's go. Mission complete. And it looks like I'm over time, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there. Well, this was fun, lots of explosions. I don't have anything more to say, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.